Today, we're going to walk through how to buy travel insurance online using EGlobalHealth, a trusted platform for international travelers. From start to finish, I'll show you everything you need to know to ensure your next trip is fully protected with the right insurance. Let's start by visiting the EGlobalHealth website. The site is user-friendly and easy to navigate, even if you've never purchased travel insurance before. Right from the homepage, you'll see different options for coverage plans, whether you're looking for short-term travel or extended health insurance. While abroad. As you scroll through the site, you'll notice that the different insurance options are clearly categorized. One great thing about EGlobalHealth is how transparent they are about what's included in each plan, which helps you choose the right one based on your specific needs. Whether you're traveling for a few days or several months, you'll find the coverage that fits your trip. Now, let's move on to pricing. EGlobalHealth offers competitive rates that are easy to compare side by side. The cost depends on several factors, such as your destination, duration of travel, and age. The great part? There are no hidden fees, and everything is laid out clearly before you make your purchase. In terms of advantages, one of the standout features of EGlobalHealth is the flexibility of their insurance plans. You can customize your coverage by adding options such as emergency medical evacuation, trip cancellation, and lost luggage. This makes it a solid choice for those who want extra peace of mind when traveling. However, it's important to mention that while the plans are detailed, the amount of information might feel overwhelming for first-time users. But don't worry. Their customer service is always available to help if you get stuck, and there's a helpful FAQ section too. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable option, I personally recommend checking out EGTA Traveling's insurance service. They offer a wide range of affordable and comprehensive travel insurance plans, and it's super simple to get started. You can find the link to their service in the description below. Just click and explore your options. Now, let's continue with the step-by-step process of selecting and purchasing your travel insurance plan. After choosing your coverage, fill in your travel details, such as destination, travel dates, and personal information. The form is simple, and within minutes, you'll be able to see your quote. Once you're satisfied with your plan, you can pay securely through various payment options, including credit card and online payments. After completing the payment, your insurance confirmation and policy documents will be sent directly to your email. Easy, right? So that's the process. Quick, straightforward, and all done online. Make sure you're fully covered on your next trip, whether it's for a vacation or a business trip. Follow the link in the description to explore the best travel insurance plans. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. More helpful tips are on the way.